Checking out the Cascade Fathead 2. Oops, Fathead 2 Active. So this is a ribbon microphone with a active circuitry that's powered by phantom power. So let's see what this thing sounds like. Cascade Fathead 2. I've got it plugged right into my rig here.
Fathead 2 Active. This is the Fathead 2. This is a short ribbon microphone. Fathead Active. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm about 4 inches away, speaking slightly to the side so I don't pop the mic. Plosives, popping. Fathead 2. Pretty cool.